Europe, the land of art, culture, and centuries of history. For generations, this continent has been a dream destination, not just for tourists but for those seeking to live a life of stability, opportunity, and prosperity. But something unexpected is happening. People are leaving. From young professionals to entire families, a growing number of Europeans and even expats are packing up and heading elsewhere. What's causing this shift from a region often seen as a land of opportunity to one that people are choosing to leave behind? Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more engaging content. Let's dive deep into this untold story and explore the factors that are setting this trend and what it means for Europe's future. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and join us as we uncover some of the most important points behind this surprising phenomenon. Number 1. The dream versus the reality. For decades, Europe was seen as a beacon of opportunity and stability. People came for its universal healthcare, free education, and social safety nets. Europe seemed like the ideal place to call home. But in recent years, cracks have started to show, and the dream of a prosperous Europe is turning into a challenging reality for many. Number 2. Economic challenges. One of the biggest reasons people are leaving European countries is economic pressure. High living costs, particularly in major cities, are making it increasingly difficult to afford a comfortable life. In countries like Spain, Italy, and Greece, youth unemployment remains alarmingly high, forcing many young people to seek opportunities abroad. Even in wealthier nations, wages have stagnated, while inflation continues to rise. Number 3. Housing crisis. The housing crisis is another major factor. Renting or buying a home in Europe's major cities has become almost impossible for the average person. Skyrocketing property prices and a lack of affordable housing are driving people away, especially younger generations who feel they have no chance of owning a home. Number 4. Tax burdens. Europe is known for its generous welfare systems, but they come with a cost: high taxes. Many residents, especially entrepreneurs and high-income earners, feel the tax burden is too heavy. Countries like France and Denmark, for example, have some of the highest tax rates in the world. For some, the promise of lower taxes in other regions is too tempting to resist. Number 5. Political instability and social changes. Political instability is another driving force. Brexit, rising nationalism, and debates over immigration have left many feeling uncertain about Europe's future. In some countries, tensions over cultural and social changes have created divisions, making people question whether they want to stay. Number 6. Better opportunities abroad. Meanwhile, other regions are offering opportunities that Europe struggles to match. From booming economies in the Gulf states to growing tech hubs in the US and Asia, skilled workers and professionals are looking for places where they can thrive both financially and professionally. Number 7. Climate and environmental factors. Climate change is also playing a role. Southern Europe, in particular, is facing rising temperatures, water shortages, and wildfires. These challenges are making some regions less livable and pushing residents to look for safer, more stable environments. Number 8. Is the grass greener elsewhere? While some find success in their new homes, others realize that moving comes with its own set of challenges, building a social network, and navigating unfamiliar systems. The decision to leave Europe isn't easy, but for many, it feels necessary. So the conclusion is, Europe is at a crossroads. While it remains a cultural and historical powerhouse, economic struggles, housing crises, and social shifts are prompting many to seek opportunities elsewhere. What do you think about this trend? Would you leave Europe, or is there still hope for the continent to address these challenges? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more thought-provoking insights.